Here's a lot going on with the new Surface Book 2. It's not just a laptop, it's a laptop with the latest 8th gen Intel Core series CPUs. You can detach the screen and cart it around as a standalone tablet, or connect it to the keyboard base for extra battery life and graphics power. And that graphics power comes from a couple of gamer-friendly Nvidia GPUs, up to the very popular GeForce 1060. You lose the graphics power when detaching the tablet, but that just makes it easier to use the proprietary, and sold separately, Microsoft Pen stylus for drawing or note-taking, which has been a standout feature of the entire Surface line since day one. It also has the camera hardware and updated Windows software for trendy new augmented reality experiences. And don't forget, the 13-inch version is now joined by a second model with a bigger, higher resolution 15-inch display, clearly designed to go head-to-head with Apple's category-defining 15-inch MacBook Pro. Long story short, there's a lot to unpack in Microsoft's new Surface Book 2, a computer that aims to satisfy many different audiences. The new models start at $1,499 for the 13-inch and $2,499 for the 15-inch. The 13-inch model is hitting several global markets, with a starting price of £1,449 or $2,199. While the 15-inch model is US only for now, but it converts to £1,880 or $3,180.